Nathan, it's great to be back to check on your lawn.
It's great to have you back.
Yeah, this has been a heck of a project. So I think it was 2023, about 2 years ago, we did some soil tests and you did some special fertilizer. How has that worked out for you?
Oh, it's been great. Obviously, listening to Asian Turfgrass Center's results of the soil sample, we were able to implement the game plan. It's allowed me to have some more free time to do the things I love, like barbecue.
Oh yeah, definitely. So I see some footprints here. Looks like your lawn's still getting a lot of use, even in the winter.
Absolutely.
And yeah, maybe should we go in the backyard and take a look at the grass itself?
I think it's a great idea.
All right, let's go. You've even got a pool, you barbecue. This lawn gets a lot of use.
It really does. It's a very active lawn.
Let's take a look at it. My, looks like you've got some ice there.
Here, let me give you a hand with that, Micah.
Oops.
Oh, what happened there?
What happened there? Let's get
What do you
another
think of the grass?
This is where I cross-checked you.
That was not supposed to happen. What a year. All I had to do was cut the grass. I think I watered it one time. Look at this. The envy of the neighborhood.
We did a great fertilizer plan, and I've heard that the lawn was green and was really the healthiest lawn visually on the entire block.
Absolutely. One would say maybe even the best feature of the entire home.
And what is coming up for this year for this lawn?
Well, I think this year we're just going to water it throughout the spring and summer. And then I think in the fall what I'd like to do is try that reseeding, adding some extra seed to it, and then adding some fertilizer in the fall.
Yeah, we had some problems with the seeding last time, which you had a really high quality seed with the appropriate species for this area. But what was the problem where that didn't really take?
Well, I didn't follow the instructions correctly, and the machine that we had to create the grooves for the seed to fall into didn't actually cut down into the soil. It actually just cut the blades of grass. And so we did have some seed that took, but not to the extent that we wanted. So that's why we're going to redo it in the fall and give it a try again.
So what we did, the lawn was so healthy from that fertilizer that you'd applied, and so the grass was so thick that when we put the seed in the autumn of 2023, we needed to create some seed to soil contact, and you rented an overseeder from the local rental shop, but the blades were set where it didn't even break the soil. And so because of that, the seed did not really get into the soil and not much of it germinated. So we'll try that again this year. But basically, it's been a really fun project, and it's a pity that every time I come and visit, we don't get to see it.
It really is. We'll have to have you back soon.
All right, thank you. Well, there's the Nathan's Lawn update.